Hello, it's Orange Soda, and I wanted to let you guys know about something that I have learned recently. It has come to my attention that there is an epidemic amongst us. Fat animals. I don't know what's happening, but they're getting fat. I mean, at one point they were skinny and now they are fat. The obesity epidemic among animals is of epic proportions. It is basically genocide. We are killing our animals. And I like to eat animals and I don't want them to die before I get a chance to eat them. And so it's very important that we make people aware of this epidemic. And here's what I think's happening. I think pet owners are feeding their dogs way too much. They're feeding their cats too much. They're feeding their lizards, their fish, really any kind of pet. They're just giving them too much food. Scraps off the table, whole steaks, gigantic pizzas, whatever they want to eat. And it's not right, because they're supposed to eat dog food and cat food, regular food, you know? And, well, and then you see these other animals, and they're catching on. They're seeing the fat dogs come out when they go to the bathroom, and now they want to be fat too. And you got fat squirrels, you got fat penguins, you got fat platypuses, you got fat, I mean, everything is just fat animals. And so I've come across this organization called the FAE. The FAE is an organization, it's an international organization that is all about the awareness of fat animals everywhere. Here's what you do. You take a picture of a fat animal, you text it to a friend, and you make sure that those friends pass it on so that we can make people aware of fat animals. They need to be skinny. They need to be like other animals. They need to be treated like other animals, like skinny animals. They need the same rights as skinny animals. And who's gonna bring the justice? Who is going to see that there's an end to this epidemic of fat animals? I have a friend, and he has a dream. The president of the FAE told a friend of mine, told me, we gotta stop this, we gotta stop it now. So here's what I need you to do. Look at the number on your screen today. If you've seen a fat animal, you call this number, and there'll be more details about how you can be a part of the FAE, Fat Animal Exchange, and share the awareness of fat animals everywhere. Thank you, and God bless.